Hey, Patrick. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about coffee shops today, probably because I really need coffee right now.
I feel that. Coffee is basically my morning fuel. But wait, before we talk about coffee and daily English, let's introduce ourselves.
Good idea. Hi, everyone. I'm Patrick, and welcome back to our English conversation practice.
And I'm Shirley. We speak slowly, clearly, and in very simple English so you can understand everything we say.
And we talk like two real friends because we are two real friends. Nothing formal, nothing difficult.
Today's topic is English in daily life, and we're going to focus on a super common place at the coffee shop.
Yes, coffee shops are everywhere, and people talk there all the time.
Ordering coffee, chatting with friends, asking simple questions, talking to the barista.
So today we'll talk about our own coffee shop stories, feelings, habits, and experiences.
It's going to be fun and very useful for speaking practice. Moving into the main topic daily life and coffee shops. Talking about morning coffee habits. So tell me, Patrick, how often do you go to a coffee shop?
Hmm, maybe 3 times a week, sometimes four, sometimes five, depending on my stress level.
Almost every day, basically.
Pretty much. What about you?
I go maybe 2 or 3 times. I love the atmosphere, the smell, the warmth, the quiet background music.
Yes, coffee shops have a feeling, a calm, cozy feeling.
Exactly. Favorite drinks at the coffee shop.
So, what's your go to drink? Your favorite?
Mm, a latte. A simple latte. Hot, creamy, smooth, perfect.
Classic Shirley,
And you? What do you order?
an iced Americano.
Always iced.
Always. Winter, summer, rain, snow. I don't care. Iced coffee forever.
Your soul is iced.
Yes.
Talking about ordering problems. Have you ever had a funny or embarrassing moment at a coffee shop?
Oh, wow. Yes. One time I ordered a large iced Americano, but I accidentally said large iced American. The barista laughed so hard.
Oh no! Did she give you a big American person with ice?
Thankfully, no, just the coffee. But I turned so red.
That's adorable. What about you? Any embarrassing stories? Yes, one time I grabbed the wrong drink. I took someone else's latte and I walked away so confidently.
Oh, surely the drink thief.
I felt so bad. I went back and apologized like 5 times. Talking about coffee shop atmosphere.
What's your favorite thing about coffee shops?
I love the energy. People talking softly, typing on laptops, reading books, relaxing.
It's peaceful, but also alive.
Yes, that's exactly it.
For me, it's the smell. Fresh coffee beans, warm pastries. It feels like a hug for my nose.
A nose hug. You're so poetic today.
Do you like people watching at coffee shops?
Oh, yes, absolutely. Coffee shops are the best places for that.
Same. I love watching students study, couples talk, friends laugh. It's like a live movie.
I once saw a guy propose in a coffee shop.
No way.
Yes, he put the ring in a cup of whipped cream.
What? What if she drank it? Luckily, she saw it first.
And she said yes.
Yep.
Oh, that's sweet. Do you ever work at coffee shops sometimes?
Yes. I go there when I need a change of scenery.
Right. It feels different from home.
Exactly. At home, I get distracted, but at a coffee shop, I feel focused.
Same here. I get more creative in a coffee shop.
100%. Talking about food at coffee shops.
Do you buy food at coffee shops?
Sometimes I like muffins, blueberry muffins especially.
Oh, yes, those are delicious. I usually get a croissant.
Croissants are a little dangerous for me.
Why?
They disappear so fast. One moment, I'm holding a croissant, and the next moment, it's gone.
You eat it in 5 seconds?
Maybe.
Talking about awkward coffee shop moments.
You know what's awkward? When you walk into a coffee shop and everyone turns to look at you
Yes,
for no reason, like you're a celebrity entering the room.
exactly. I'm like, hello, yes, it is I, a regular human just getting coffee.
I hate when the door makes a loud noise and everyone notices.
Talking about coffee shop vocabulary in simple English.
Okay, let's teach some easy phrases that people use in coffee shops.
Good idea.
Here are some simple sentences. Can I have a latte, please? I'd like an iced coffee. Small, medium, or large? For here or to go? Can I get some sugar? Do you have milk alternatives? Could you warm this up?
That's great. Here are some words: menu, barista, counter, receipt, table, cream, sugar, foam.
All very useful in daily life. Talking about comfort and routine. Do you ever go to the same coffee shop every week?
Yes, there's one near my apartment. The barista knows my order now.
Really? She remembers?
Yep, she sees me and goes, iced Americano, right?
That's nice. That feels like home.
It does. I like being a regular somewhere. It's comforting.
Talking about dreams and coffee culture. If you could design your perfect coffee shop, what would it be like?
Oh, wow. Okay. Big windows, plants everywhere, soft jazz music, and lots of pastries.
That sounds magical. What about yours? Mine would be quiet, warm lights, comfortable chairs, and a dog-friendly area.
Aw, dogs in a coffee shop? That's adorable. Coffee shop humor. Have you ever tried to pronounce fancy coffee names and failed?
Oh yes. Macchiatata? I gave up.
Same here. Sometimes I just point at the menu like a scared tourist.
That's okay. Pointing is universal. Wrapping up, final takeaway.
Okay, friends, today we talked all about coffee shops: ordering, drinks, funny moments, daily habits, and useful phrases.
Coffee shops are great places to practice real English in daily life.
Exactly. So next time you go to a cafe, try using one or two new phrases from this lesson.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite coffee or drink?
We love reading your answers.
Thank you for learning and practicing with us.
Take care, drink something delicious.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.